Epson L3250 lights are blinking. It is showing that it means that there is no ink and there is no paper. But you can see there is a paper and also inks are full. So how to solve this issue? First of all, you need to check here. First of all, you need to open this button, this cover. Then open this cover. This cover, and from here you need to check this area. This is called head, printer head. If is maybe this is stuck, so just remove it, bring it in the center, and then you need to make sure that there is no any paper or anything that it is stopping it, because sometimes it stop the head and this is the error. Because of this it gives this error. So now just bring it in the center, just close it, and then after that simply close it and you check if it's gone. If still there is that error, now what you need to do, you need to press the cancel button for 5 seconds, and release it. Then press this button and then this blue color copy button together for 5 seconds. And after that just simply release it, and you can see the lights are gone. So this is how easily you can do it. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.